DJMTV breaking news. A former Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Zakawaru Garuba, is dead. A family source, who did not want his name mentioned, said the two-time member of Edo Assembly died of an undisclosed ailment at an Abuja hospital on Saturday morning. Born on the 23rd of August 1965 in Apekpe Community, Auchi, in Isako West local government area of the state, Garuba studied law at the Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, Osun State and was called to bar in 1990. He was elected into the Edo State House of Assembly in 2003, on the platform of the People's Democratic Party. While in the House, he served as chairman of the House Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights, and Legal Matters. After his exit from legislative duty, Zakawaru Garuba was appointed into the board of the Securities and Exchange Commission to serve as the Executive Commissioner, Finance and Administration, now known as the Corporate Services Directorate of the Commission. He holds the traditional titles of Oshiot of Auchi Kingdom and Okumabe of Uzia.